Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Medz. I hope your week is off to a great start. Happy Monday to you all. I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence, and this is your Monday Medz. So yes, it is the last Monday of April, and it is a very historic day, historic Monday, and happy anniversary to all those who are celebrating today. Happy anniversary to our friends Danny and Grace. Yes, happy anniversary to you guys, and happy birthday to all of you celebrating birthdays today. I'll just share a few. Happy birthday to you, Erica. Yes, we love you, we miss you. Happy birthday to you, Mrs. Ruby Wells, all of 101 years old today. Happy birthday, Mother Wells. Happy birthday to you. We love you and we are looking forward to seeing you soon. And yes, congratulations to the Reynolds and the Eustache family. Yes, they have a new addition in their family. Congratulations to you, mommy and daddy, and grandma and grandpa. Congratulations to you all. Yes, it's a very special day, and today we are wrapping up, at least for this part of the month, we're wrapping up what to do when there's no doctor series, what to do when there's no doctor series, and we've been looking on the kits. Yes, first aid kit, having your individual first aid kit. We've been talking about how you can pack them, what to have in it. I hope you saw what we have in ours. You can check the description section of this video for the links, or check the playlist for this series, what to do when there's no doctor. So today we'll be talking about the vehicle kit. And no, it's not this kit, not this one with the jumper cables and the screwdrivers and all of that. Not this one. We're gonna be talking about your medical vehicle kit, and we'll share a link in the description section of this video on how you can get one like this online. So this is what we're going to be talking about, and we'll be using the reference book by the Altons, Doctors Alton, the Survival Medicine Handbook. So keep watching as we will share more with you on what to do when there's no doctor. Grab your vehicle kit.
Disclaimer, I am no medical doctor, and so these natural remedies are shared as recommendations. Use considerately.
So according to Doctors Joseph and Amy Alton in their book, The Survival Medicine Handbook, the essential guide for when help is not on the way, 4th edition, revised and expanded. The vehicle kit is one that is very important, and they recommend that you have your individual first aid kit in your vehicle along with your vehicle kit. Now, like we did with the previous kit, the individual first aid kit, or the IFAK, we will share with you a few of, because it's a lengthy list, we will share with you a few of what they recommend, and then we will share the full list in the description section of this video. So one of the things that they recommend, and some of these on the list, I must say they are repeated. They are repeated from the individual first aid kit. So you will notice the list. On the list, you will notice that. So one of the things that they mention that I highlight is SAM Splint. Now that's finger size splint. So as my husband reminded me, it's an object that looks like a fudge stick. Sorry, I don't have one that is used to support the finger, especially if it is broken or injured. All right, so that's one that I'll highlight. They mentioned SAM Splint finger size reusable, and also the Splint, SAM Splint 36-inch size. Also CPR mask, keychain, and oral airways. Some of these, they're new to me also, so I know they may be new to you, also. Chest decompression needles, also eye wash is one that I highlight. iPads, not the iPad, but the iPads. All right, tongue decompressor, glow sticks. It's important to have glow sticks, and gold bond powder for rashes and preventing blister. Insect repellents, and one that we talked about before, we can't highlight too much, the flashlight. You definitely have to have one in your vehicle at all times. 60cc irrigation syringes, and also rehydration packets. They recommend that you have headlamp with batteries, headlamp with batteries, as yeah, your headlamps may go out. You want to have portable water filters. We did show you that some time ago. I'll share a link in the description section of this video of one that we are using. And yes, lip balm. You can't forget your lip balm. And thanks to our friends Danny and Grace, thank you for this. It's made of essential oil, pure essential oil. And yes, it is from Young Living. And sunscreen, very important to have in your vehicle kit. And last but by no means least, you need to have a red marker, permanent marker. And you may be asking why. That's your homework. That's your homework. So yes, as we talk about the vehicle kit, you may be saying, like me, you may be saying, well, I don't have a vehicle. Do I need a vehicle kit? To answer your question, do you need a vehicle kit if you don't have a vehicle? The answer, yes, especially if you are driving a vehicle. You're moving around. Say you borrowed a vehicle from someone or you rented a vehicle. It is important for you to have a vehicle kit with you in addition to your first aid kit. As we wrap up Monday Medz today, one question I will ask you: where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you traveling to? Why do you need a vehicle kit? I will encourage you to make sure that you have your passport to heaven. That's where I am traveling to. I hope you will have your passport, which is the blood of Jesus giving you salvation from sin. I pray you will have a wonderful week, everyone, and God be with you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.